My father, Dhirubhai Ambani, founded Reliance on the principles of investing in future technologies, investing in Indian talent, and investing in India's growth opportunity. I have continued the tradition of following his evergreen principles while growing Reliance as a world-class enterprise. But believe me, the best of Reliance is yet to come.
Indeed, the best is yet to come as Reliance Industries is set to turn a new chapter in its glorious journey. The company's chairman Mukesh Ambani laid down the path for oil to chemicals conglomerate to put its might on generating clean, green energy as well as continue its expansion through its tech platforms. The 44th annual general meeting not only unlocked value for shareholders but also laid down a clear-cut path as to how Reliance aims to establish itself as a company of the future. The behemoth's announcement to complete its sale of 20% in its flagship chemicals and refining business to Aramco in a deal worth $15 billion shows its intent to create a sustainable business and maximize crude-to-chemical conversion. As of March 21, 60% of the company's combined revenue stemmed from fossil fuel business. Hence, striving for a new path in green energy is indeed a bold step. At the same time, its decision to reduce dependence on fossil fuel also shows Reliance's intent and commitment to embrace a new world fueled by clean, green energy and sustainable development. The company will invest 75,000 crores over the next 3 years as it aims to become a net zero carbon establishment by 2035. 60,000 crores will be for 4 gigafactories at Jamnagar for producing solar cells, energy storage batteries, fuel cells and green hydrogen, whereas the rest 15,000 crores will be used in creating value chain and other partnerships. The company aims to set up solar capacities of around 100 gigawatts of solar energy by 2030. Last year, it was a flurry of investments through its Jio platforms, around $16 billion. The company pushed its way into the e-commerce market as well as catapulting Jio as India's most widely subscribed mobile telephone network. Jio Platforms is aimed to emerge as one single-stop retail, content streaming, digital payments, education and healthcare platform. This year, Reliance took another step forward and announced the launch of affordable smartphones in 4G space in partnership with Google. The venture will not only allow Indians the chance to avail smartphones with cutting-edge technology, but will also enable those lingering with 2G technology to leapfrog into 4G technology. The appearance and speech of Google's top executive Sundar Pichai attested to the fact that Jio phones are here to stay and would not only be a disruptor but also a game changer in one of the world's largest smartphone handset markets. It would also pose a steep challenge to China-based Xiaomi, Oppo and South Korea-based Samsung's grip over the smartphone market in the country as it aims to migrate 300 million 2G customers to the 4G space. But the biggest change for India's communication infrastructure is slated to come through Reliance's 5G Yukt initiative. In a tie-up with Google Cloud, Jio has tested 5G solutions in India and has successfully demonstrated its prowess in 5G infraspace. The company will also shift its core retail business to Google Cloud's infrastructure. They will be able to take advantage of Google's AI and machine learning, e-commerce and demand forecasting offerings. Not only will Reliance have the early movers advantage, but currently there are hardly any Indian service providers that look to test their 5G infra solutions. Imagine the windfall gains that the company would make once manufacturing and other businesses harness the power of 5G infrastructure. As for the retail business, another vertical for future growth, Reliance chairman Mukesh Ambani said the company will see at least 3 times growth in the next 3 to 5 years, which implies a CAGR of about 35%. Reliance Retail aims to be among the top 10 retailers globally. In FY22, it plans to set up design, research, technology and innovation centers in key areas globally and within the country to develop differentiated offerings for its diverse customer groups. Alongside, it plans to strengthen its sourcing ecosystem and work closely with producers, MSMEs, service providers, local and international brands, apart from building supply chain infrastructure through the length and breadth of the country. While some would argue that the recast was inevitable, But few companies, particularly the homegrown ones, have shown the grit and determination to aspire and make a bold shift to new age businesses that would not only be in tandem with the fourth industrial revolution, but also herald its arrival. As India's largest company by value charts its new course, the real beneficiary will be the shareholder and the country as it scales new dizzying heights of unprecedented glory.